Introduce highlight features or overview summary of GAOMON heat press. There are features include uniform heat distribution and rapid heating. This professional heat press machine utilizes advanced dual-tube heating technology to ensure 50% more consistent temperature across the full platen. Double-layer insulation retains heat effectively, delivering smooth, professional results on t-shirts, bags, canvas, and various fabrics. Precise temperature control. Engineered with silver alloy contacts and a high-response sensor, our t-shirt press ensures accurate heating. An automatic alert notifies you when transfer is complete, providing reliable performance for both DIY and commercial use. Adjustable pressure settings. Easily customize pressure with the full range control knob. Whether working with thick materials or delicate fabrics, this heat transfer machine adapts quickly for optimal imprint quality every time. Safety features and auto shut-off. Designed with flame-retardant construction and non-stick silicone padding, this heat press prevents burns and fabric damage. It alerts you when done and can power down automatically, offering peace of mind during operation. Wide compatibility and versatile use. With its large clamshell design, this heat press works on apparel, hoodies, pillows, tote bags, tiles, and more. Ideal for small businesses and craft enthusiasts, it supports countless creative and professional applications. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.